Do it alone. Do it broke. Do it tired. Do it scared. Just do it.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Aaron here, and in case you are just joining for the first time, you don't know who I am. On this my channel I share a lot of content on forex trading because I'm a forex trader. I also share tech contents because I'm a programmer as well. I also share how to make money online through an online business because I run an IT and marketing agency myself. So basically in this video I'll be showing you guys how everything about YouTube, how you can start your own YouTube channel, or why you should start a YouTube channel, how much you can make on YouTube, the different ways of making money on YouTube, and basically everything about YouTube from the beginner, that's like choosing what to do on YouTube, the softwares you can use, a lot of stuff basically. So if that's what you like, do make sure to stick around to the end of the video and like and subscribe. Is very important because you get to see more of this type of video, not just mine. I also do video on self-development, reading books, so that's one of my favorites. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get this video started. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. You can see this is my channel here already, so I'm going to go open it and I'll view it, show you guys. You can see there's a lot of content here. You check about the about page, you see what I'm actually doing. So I'll show you guys how to set up something like this. You can see my journey in tech, forex trading, building business, making money online, self-development, while teaching the lessons I learned along the way, so for young men out there. So you can see this is a channel, previous videos I've posted. You can see this banner. I'll show you guys how to design a banner like this as well. Why I did it is because I saw it on Mr. Beast. Most of you know Mr. Beast, so I saw it on his page to subscribe for a free cookie. It just kind of makes people want to subscribe because it's kind of fun. So also you can see I have basically, let's get started. So for you to get started on YouTube, first of all, you probably already have a YouTube account. You already have a YouTube account, but maybe you don't even know. So you just come, I will show you guys on a mobile device, but basically this is a desktop view. You come here to your accounts here, then you can see this is your account already. But I'm going to try to switch accounts to an account that doesn't have any YouTube stuff on it. Okay, like this, my account, it doesn't have anything. It's like 3 subscribers. So this is probably how your own is going to look, maybe when you don't have any subscribers on it. So as you can see, if you tap here, you see view your channel. So basically, yeah, you want to click on view your channel because you already have a channel. So you can see view your channel, you see more about your channel. So you click here again, then you click on YouTube Studios. So once you click on YouTube Studio, this is the YouTube Studio. Basically is where you see everything about your YouTube channel, like how many followers, like how many subscribers you have, how many people watch your videos in a certain amount of time, like how much money you are making on YouTube, like how much YouTube has paid you. You can see this is the earnings section. We'll get into there, but basically the dashboard shows everything about the content, shows your content. Analytics is basically analytics. It shows your audience, are they male, are they female. So basically, if you don't know already, YouTube gives you so much insight about your followers. So that's to show that they're actually tracking your data. They show like their age, they show their location, where they are from, a lot of data. So that's what the analytics page is about. You can check analytics of the last 28 days, analytics of lifetime, analytics of a year. Then you come to the comment section, you check how many comments your videos that might have had. Then basically also you can go to the earnings section as well. So this earnings section is like quite the fun aspect, because okay, this is where you actually making money from YouTube. So in this section I'm telling guys about how the making money aspect of YouTube. It's not just one way, that you make money. It's several different ways. First of all, there's membership. So grow your community. This membership usually comes after you have been monetized, so people can pay for a membership. You can just add it on your YouTube channel, but you can't add membership now. It's a milestone that you have to reach. So I'll tell you guys what you need to do before you can reach the members. You see, next milestone is not even unlocked yet, it's locked. So you can see there's supers again. Super chat. So basically, if you are doing a live stream, there's what we call super chat. So super chat is just basically like somebody can send a chat that displays at the top, and they'll pay for it. They'll pay to send it. They can send a super sticker that displays in a live stream. So people do that. When you live stream, you make money because some people just want to like send you free stuff, you understand, with super chats. So but it's locked for now. I'll show you guys what you need to do before you can get there. So shopping as well, you can see this there, you can add a store. If you check some of these YouTubers now, most of them, after building a brand, so that's like one of the most important thing about YouTube. So you have to build your brand, you understand? Like that's why I do advise YouTube channels that show your face, because you kind of build a brand around your face, then people know you, they can come ask you for sponsorship and stuff like that. Then you can create your own product, basically like Mr. Beast has like the Beast Burger and stuff. You can create your branded t-shirts and stuff. Then you already have a community that you can sell them to. Then YouTube even allows a shopping option. You can add your store there. Basically all these 3 milestones are locked. These are the ones YouTube can use to pay you. Then the 4th way YouTube can actually pay you is when they pay you per video. Like if you make a video, they don't just pay you because you made a video, they will pay you out of the money when you play a video on YouTube, there's ads on it, like advertisements plays first. An advertiser has already paid for the advertisement, so YouTube takes a cut out of the advertisements and pay you a cut out of the remaining. So that's how you literally make money from people watching your videos, because they usually watch the ad first, so because the money is coming from the ad. So this is what you need to do to be eligible for YouTube monetization. This is like the first thing you should aim for: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You already know what you see down here. So I will explain this one, which says 10 million shorts views in 90 days. So this is like very hard to get, because you have to upload a lot of shorts. But if your shorts get viral, that's like your short form content, you can reach this milestone. But most people usually get to this one first, because they don't usually upload a lot of shorts. So basically you don't have to get 1,000 subscribers. This doesn't mean like you should go and be meeting people and telling them, oh, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, stuff like that. That's because I did that mistake in the past, and it wasn't really nice. Because if you go to people and say subscribe, most times they're not interested in your content, unless you know that they will watch it later. But if you know that they're just random people that are not interested in your content and force them to subscribe, or you take their phone and subscribe on your own, it's kind of crazy, because they might not watch your next video. So YouTube will now think that, oh, you have subscribers, but they are not watching your videos, so maybe your videos are not important. So YouTube will not want to show your video to more people that will actually watch these videos. So that's why I don't advise doing that. So 4,000 watch hours simply means if a video just means having people watch your video up to 4,000 hours. Simple. So let's say you have a 1 hour YouTube video, so if 4,000 people watch that 1 hour video within a year, within 365, let's say today you post one video that is 1 hour and 4,000 people watch it, that's equals to 4,000 hours that people have watched. So but most times people don't do it that way. You can post several maybe 3 videos a week, 2 videos a week, that 30 minutes. Then if people watch them, let's say 1,000 people watch this video, now 1,000 people watch this video, accumulates up to 4,000 watch hours in a year. So once you get that, you get monetized, and YouTube starts paying you when people watch your videos and watch the ads on your videos. So you can't just withdraw instantly. You have to get up to $100, which is the threshold for withdrawal. So it's not usually, once you get monetized, it's not usually hard to make money again, because if you post a video, you get paid for people watching the ads, your money just grows. Then I'm going to give you guys like a short analogy of a friend I had. He was monetized for about 3 months, and he made about $313, and his videos never had over 4,000 views. Each video was just like 1,000 view, 3,000 view, 2,000 view, and he made $313 just like that. So if you're in Nigeria, you know how much that is. So again, other countries like United States, they pay higher. Nigeria pays low, and that's even much for 3 months. Like most salary jobs don't pay that, so it's a lot. I guess it's a lot, maybe from my perspective. So if just for sharing your content. So basically that's the monetization part. So let's go into how you can actually create your own YouTube channel. So once you have been able to access your YouTube Studio, if you go to if you're on your mobile device, you can download YouTube Studio application. Just search YouTube Studio, you'll be able to see the application, and you can download it as well. Then what you just need to do is to change your profile picture, change the name. It's quite simple. You see it on YouTube picture on this customization place. I think there are options where you can do that as well. So you can see branding, you can see I can remove my picture, I can change the picture, I can put a banner, I can put a watermark, very simple stuff. So you can see basic info, I can put my handle, like I can put a description about my channel, that's where you saw and what I did and stuff like that. I can also put, okay, these URLs automatic. Then I can add links, like links to my website, links to my WhatsApp. I can add an email address for contact so people can contact me. Like there was a time on my YouTube channel that Bybit sent me a sponsorship, like they wanted to partner with me so I can promote their brand, stuff like that. So it's through my email that they were able to reach out to me, basically. So that's just how it is. So once you've set all this up in your YouTube studios, you have thought of the name. Basically, thinking of a name is quite simple. Actually, thinking of a name is quite simple. Just because the name I'm using on my current YouTube channel, Aaron Tech and Finance, wasn't the name I used like when I started the channel. So don't get too bugged up with the name. If you are doing tech, you can say something tech or anything. You probably, or just use your full name. If you are thinking of a name and you are not getting anything, you can just simply use your full name. Just use your full name. Come on, people do that. In Mangazi, you see his full name. People just use your full name, then put your description about what you'll be doing. If you don't know what to do yet, you can ask ChatGPT. Like you can just go to ChatGPT. See, I use ChatGPT to even like create the guides for this video. Just go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT that you want to be a YouTuber and you want him to come up with what you can do. So he should just give you one stop what you can do, or probably you already know what you can do. You can post anything. People can watch literally anything. Like let's say you can post, you don't even have to show your face, but I like showing the face is a good thing. But because faceless YouTube channel also work, you can decide to just screen record, like screen record your screen and talk about something. You can download this OBS Studios. So this is the first software I'm talking about, OBS Studios. I'll drop a link to downloading it. It helps you record your screen on an Android phone. You can just search screen recorder for Android, free screen recorder. iOS device, it already comes with built-in screen recording. So you just project your screen, talk about what you want to talk about, just like how I'm talking now. So let's say you don't want to show your face, you're projecting your screen talking about something. You can go to canva.com. that's the second software I'm talking about. You can also download it on your Android phone. Canva.com. Let's say you're talking about networking, you want to teach people about networking, or you want to teach people about baking. You can really, you can create a channel about baking, or a channel basically about your life or anything. So once your Canva is loaded up, you can just come and search for presentation for YouTube video, or YouTube video presentation slide, something like that. Then you see different templates. Okay, you can see this YouTube video presentation. You can just click on anyone you want to use, then edit the template. You can see this marketing. Let's say you want to talk about a marketing plan, you can click on that, use that one. Okay, so once you have selected any presentation I told you, you can see this marketing. Just come, you can change it. Maybe you don't want to talk about marketing, you want to talk about building a business, you want to talk about what you know. You have been living on this earth for maybe over 18 years, 19 years. You probably know something at least. If you don't know, you can learn a skill, anything. My agency teaches a lot of skills like UI UX, web design, backend development, so many skills. So you can message me on WhatsApp, or display my number, or you can go to the description, you see all my contact details. Then you can maybe learn a skill from my agency, because we have a lot of courses. Then you can come to YouTube and teach your skill, so YouTube pays you for teaching. So once you have set up your slide like this, you can just go down here and click on present. Then while you are recording your screen and you are saying something, that's just how it is. Then you see you have a YouTube video ready. So about editing the video now, you can use this software, CapCut. I don't edit videos on my PC for now, because CapCut it's running kind of slow on my PC. But if you have a nice PC, you just download CapCut. This is spelling, it's free. Download CapCut and make your edits. If you don't know how to use CapCut for editing, search how to use CapCut for editing on YouTube. Then you can see how to use CapCut for editing. Then if you have it on your PC, you can edit. If you have it on your phone, it's available for Android and iOS. Download CapCut, use it to edit the videos. Basically just cut out the part that silence, or cut out the part that you don't want. Then you can add a background music. Very simple. So once your video is ready, go back to YouTube and you click on create video. So you can see you can create a post, create a playlist, create a podcast, but what you are focused on is uploading a video. So literally just click on upload. I don't really have anything to upload right now, but once you click on upload, you basically just have to add the name of the video. If you don't have a name for it, if you can't think of a good name, just go to ChatGPT again, tell ChatGPT, describe your video. Say, I made a YouTube video about cooking, I made a YouTube video about myself going to school, I made a YouTube video about going to work, I made a YouTube video about anything. Can you give me a good title that is SEO friendly, which is search engine optimization friendly, that will make people see it and more? Or can you give me a good title that is catchy for the video? ChatGPT gives you a title, you put it in your video. Very simple. So also description, tell ChatGPT to give you a good description, you put it in your video, and simple. So let's talk about the thumbnail. So once you're uploading a video on YouTube, if you go to YouTube, you see that a thumbnail is these images that are showing. You can see these are YouTube videos, but basically they are like catchy images that are in front of the videos. Like you can see turn $20 using ATM model to $100,000. You can see these are pictures, they are edited pictures, they are called thumbnails. You can see maps. These are very like nice catchy pictures, so people can click on your video. You don't just upload the video like that. So if you want to create a thumbnail, you can see these are thumbnails I've created in the past for my videos, very nice thumbnails. So just come here again, this you can see a day in a life YouTube thumbnail. So let's say you're creating a cooking video or a vlog video, you can say vlog thumbnail. So let's say a day in the life thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. So search it on CapCut. You can see there are different thumbnails. You can see this one, different. A lot of them are for free, a lot of them are paid for, but I usually go for the free ones because they're also nice as well. So you can see, just click on anyone the same way you click on for the presentations. Click on anyone and you edit a video, you edit the thumbnail, then you go back to your YouTube on your YouTube studio. Once you click on create, once you click on upload, then you put your thumbnail there as well. You see an option for it, then you upload your video. The final tip I have for you guys, make sure to be consistent while uploading videos. Like set a time. Let's say you'll be uploading every week on Saturdays 12 p.m. and you try to upload a video every week 12 p.m. on Saturday. By that way, doing that, your YouTube channel grows faster. You get more subscribers, more viewers, then you get to start making money quicker on YouTube. So other options for making money on YouTube is basically, some people will message you for sponsorship, for advertisements, for a lot of other stuff. Then you can make money from that. Okay, let's say you're talking about a new outfit you got on your YouTube channel, then you can drop a link to maybe the Amazon link, the referral link, or you're talking about an application that requires a paid a paid subscription. You can drop the link as a referral, then people click on that link, you make money as for referring people to that platform. So that's how you make money from YouTube. People build their entire life on YouTube, they do nothing else but YouTube videos, and they are living just fine. So that's why I would advise you guys to start a YouTube channel just as a side hustle for yourself. If you're doing anything, you're probably doing something in life. You're not just living your life doing nothing. Even though you're doing nothing, you can still film it. Like, you don't really have to have a very good camera, because a lot of YouTubers started with bad camera. You later then get to upgrade. If you want to film yourself at all, what you are doing, film other things, go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to give you an idea, or send me a DM. I'll help you find what can suit your YouTube channel journey. So basically, that's just all. Do make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me for more. Like, subscribe because I'm sharing my own YouTube journey on YouTube, sharing loads more tips, tricks, videos like this that you definitely enjoy. So the best thing you can do is subscribe. Let's do it together. Let's grow together here on YouTube, and see you guys, and in life in general. So see you guys later, because I know you're going to subscribe for a free cookie.